Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust headlights on a Dodge Charger. First, park your vehicle on a level surface, approximately 25 feet from a wall. Make sure your tire pressure is correct and the fuel tank is at least half full to simulate normal driving weight. Also, clean your headlight lenses thoroughly for the most accurate beam projection. You will need a Phillips head screwdriver or a Torx bit, depending on your specific model. Now, let's find those adjustment points. Open the hood of your Dodge Charger and locate the headlight assembly. You'll typically find 2 adjustment screws for each headlight unit. One screw is for vertical alignment, moving the beam up or down, and the other is for horizontal alignment, shifting it left or right. If you're unsure, your owner's manual will provide the precise location and type of tool needed for these adjusters. With your vehicle 25 feet from the wall, turn on your low beam headlights. Mark the center of each beam on the wall with tape. For vertical adjustment, turn the appropriate screw to bring the top edge of the beam to your marked line. Then, use the horizontal screw to center the beam directly in front of your vehicle. Remember to make small, incremental turns, perhaps 1/4 to 1/2 turn at a time, and recheck the beam pattern after each adjustment. After adjusting, step back and ensure both headlights are aligned symmetrically. A good rule of thumb is for the low beam cutoff to be about 2 inches below the headlight's center height when measured at 25 feet. Take your Dodge Charger for a test drive at night to confirm proper illumination and ensure you're not blinding oncoming traffic. Proper adjustment enhances safety for everyone on the road.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.